So we've got a handful of test pipes, high flow cats, Audi exhaust systems, and Nissan exhaust systems to build this week. Everybody know what they need to do?
Yep.
Awesome. Let's get after it.
All right. So we're busy here at Fast Intentions. Man, we need help. And what we're specifically looking for is a production assistant. That job title is going to entail cutting on our CNC saw, light help in shipping and receiving, prepping the product to ship out for that week, learning and mastering our mandrel bending process, to operating our CNC mill, cutting, grinding, and preparing parts for our fabricators for the weekly build list. We opened our doors 16 years ago and we've been growing ever since. It is truly onward and upward, baby. This is a great environment with great competitive pay. Medical benefits are included. So if these are all things that you're interested in, please do not hesitate to reach out to us today and let's get to work.